Well, here's something we haven't seen yet. Those look like they're starting to test these slides with people. This must have been tested earlier. This is the first time I've seen someone without their shirt on. This is the first time seeing someone here without their shirt on. Oh, here they come. Oh, here it comes. The blue one. I don't know if you can see that. And the green one's going. Hello and welcome to another Volcano Bay update. Sorry for the wind. If you've been watching my videos, you'll see that this road is coming along very quickly. If you haven't watched my update videos before, thanks for watching this one. You see a very large cement truck moving along here. They are right now putting in the curbing. This road is going to take you from the parking garage over in City Walk into the entrance of the park, either with a tram or a bus. A lot of people are saying a tram, we'll see. You can see that they are still working on that tunnel between the two parts they've completed previously. I still don't know if they're going to cover that or leave it open, because that is between the roads and it really doesn't need to be covered, but they might anyway. We'll find out. This entrance is coming along very, very rapidly, and you can see the covering is now on over the structure. This has happened over the last couple of days. Looks like the water is running again on these slides. Maybe we'll catch some testing, but doesn't look like they're testing right now. Some workers are standing on the conveyor belt for the tubes, so that's interesting. I had to show you these pipes over here last time. They are also obviously running. Over here at the Volcano Bay expansion, you can see there are now several floors which have the furniture in place, so it's coming along very quickly. There's also more of this that is painted, and this decoration, I'm not sure what to call it, is all the way down on this side now. They're now loading some of the televisions for the new rooms, so they're pretty far along on the first few floors. They're already putting stuff like the televisions in. You can see a little bit of theming on the new towers for Volcano Bay from here. I don't see any of the little white test dummies, so they might not be testing this slide today. Here's a shot of the cabanas you can rent. Get a nice high perspective on the park. Sorry, this is as tight as my lens will let me get. No scaffolding has been taken off of the volcano in a while. It's really unfortunate that brand new slides have such mismatching colors. It looks bad. I don't think they're going to paint them, because then they'll have the problem of paint peeling off, and then they'll have to repaint it, and then repaint it and repaint it and repaint it. Things look really bad. It's interesting that they would have an elevator for that slide. This building over here, which is part of the Volcano Bay, of course, was recently painted in the universal blue and gold. This is a different perspective of the volcano than I've shown you before. You can see on this side there's less scaffolding than on the other side. On this side you can kind of see a little bit of Wet and Wild in the background. So that is my update video for now on Volcano Bay. There will be more in the future. Thanks for watching the video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.